So hi guys, good morning. Woke up like this. It's so messy hair with the big face, curly face. I just noticed guys when I just newly wake up, like I have this big nose, fluffy face. Oh my god. Actually, I just wanna share with you guys. I'm here in the kitchen cooking pig fillet, preparing for my food for lunch. I'll bring it this one in my workplace so that I don't need to buy anything. I want to save money. Up to May, meron akong exact amount that I have to save it for some purpose. So, if you really like you wanna save it, so kailangan mong magluto. So, good thing guys, ako lang mag-isa sa kitchen. So, gusto ko yung ganun kasi wala akong kompetensya solo ko. So, yan. So, yung kitchen guys. So, actually, ito, apat siya. 1 kg na fish fillet. Lulutuin ko na ngayon lahat. Lutuin ko na lahat until for tomorrow para hindi na ako magluto. Yeah, so like that guys. When I prepare some food, it takes for 2 days and then I'll just put it in some one portion for day 1, day 2, day 3. I just wanna share you guys, hindi ako nag-rice. I just make it replace for like some potato or like sweet potato, patatas, yun, binabold ko. Is either bread. Usually guys, like I used to eat bread, brown bread. And then sometimes lagyan ko siya ng egg, fried egg, omelette egg. And then some like mayonnaise. So yun guys, and oats. So actually like I think like almost 3 months or 4 months hindi na ako nag-rice. But sometimes if lalabas ako with my friends or going out and we're eating outside, yan, kumbaga nag-rice pala ako, sorry. So yun, nakita ko sa inyo yung niluto ko for today. Ayan, so nagdala pa akong sinalang guys. Yan. And so, let's chika. So, itong place namin guys, so quiet. Wala masyadong yung mga nagiinom, wala masyadong yung nagtatambay or some other like flat na paglabas mo maraming nagtatambay, kaya nakaupo sa labas. So, I love our place guys kasi napa-quiet lang at yung typical na roommates lang talaga yung ka-flatmate pagka yung makikita mo na tingin na lang, paglabas ganun lang. Wala masyadong totaling usap-usap. For me guys, it's okay yun lang yung ganun. Hindi ta talaga yung totally mag-chichikan or something ganun. So sanay lang ako yung kachika ko yung ka-roommate ko, si Rizan. So no, mas naging nga yun guys na not to share, other people sa buhay mo para maiwasan yung mga chika-chika, mga chismis. Ganun. So, tahimik lang yung place namin guys. So, minsan, maraming tao sa kitchen. Pag maraming nagluluto, hindi ako masyadong pupunta dito. Tinitingin muna ako. Unless may labahan ako kasi yung washing machine is nasa loob lang siya. So, yan. Nasa loob lang yung washing machine. So, you don't have any choice naman guys kung gusto mo talagang maglaba. So, kailangan mo talagang pumunta ng kitchen. Ayan. So, nakakatuwa guys kasi before, I used to it na nasa accommodation ako. I've been working for a previous company like 12 years. So, canteen lang talaga yung nasanayan namin. Bibili kami ng pagkain. Unlike pag naka-leave out ka, so pwede ka magluto. So guys, yung time na nag-move out ako, I transferred to the other company. Yung parang naisip ko talaga, hindi sisip na mamuhay akong ay may experience ko yung magbabayad ka ng mga rent, magluluto ka, uuwi ka, sasakay ka ng bus. Dati naisip ko lang yun like past 12 years, 13 years. So, dream come true. Ito na nga, yung lagi kang nagmamadali tumatakbo kasi may iwang nga na sa bus. Pero nakakatuwa kasi nga, you feel yourself independently na, okay, kaya ko naman pala. So, which is kaya naman talaga, guys. Ano lang talaga, mindset na ito, kaya ko. Ano lang talaga. So, you can feel it how strong you are. Alam so, medyo sunod lang ating piniprito. So, yun guys. Fish fillet. Okay na. It's ready for our food. So, yan. So, yun lang for today guys. Just to share my day. Bye!